All right, Tertius. I want to go through just more of what we've been doing the last couple of days, just so that you're all clear on some of the questions that we took, how to finish out the answer. Okay, so we had a question here which we started on yesterday. So if you just go through the question again, just so that everyone's clear on it. The question is in green. There you can see what we have and what we're looking for. But you can name the sides first of all. So we named the sides. So this is the right angle here. So we're going to go with a red color here so you're clear on it. Okay. So there's the right angle. So we name the sides. That's the hypotenuse. This is the angle for the question. That's the opposite. And the remainder is the adjacent one there. Okay. So write the rule. SOH, CAH, TOA. Don't leave any parts out. Okay. Don't leave any parts out. Let's go back here. We lost it, sorry. For a second, don't leave any parts out. And then we go back in here. So S is equal to O over H. Sorry, just get this going again. Just flicked off by accident. S is equal to O over H. C is equal to A over H. And T is equal to O over A. What do we have? We look back over here. What do we have? We have the hypotenuse. It's 17. And we have the angle, 27, and what do we want? We want the adjacent. So that now opens the door to the rule we're going to use, because that's HA, and there's only one rule with HA, and that's cosine. This is the bit I'm most worried about, that I'm seeing when your work has been done in class. You're not putting in the three spaces. You've got to put in the three boxes, otherwise mistakes are being made, lots of them. So we've picked out the cosine rule. We have this box here, and this box here, adjacent over hypotenuse, and we fill in the boxes, x over 17. So what we're looking for, x is on top here. This is really important because there'll be other questions that will be slightly different. To finish out the question, we take this 17 that's underneath it, it's a dividing 17, and we bring it over here, and we multiply it in here. So to get the answer, it's the 17 that's underneath the line. Sorry, this is a different line here now, okay? So that was 17 was underneath the line. So we're going to bring it over and multiply it in here, and that's what I've written out here. 17 times cosine 27 equals x. So we just brought that number over, and the answer is 15.14. Okay, we did another example down here. So I'll make this a bit bigger again. Name the sides. Name the sides here. So this is the right angle. So this is the hypotenuse. This is the angle for the question. This is the opposite, and this is the adjacent. We write the rule. SOH, CAH, TOA. S is equal to over H, C is equal to A over H, and T is equal to over A. So what do we do then? What do we have and what do we want? We have the hypotenuse, we have the angle, and we have A, which is the adjacent. So we write the equation equals with the three boxes, box number 1, box number 2, and box number 3. We're using the cosine rule because it's AH, and there's only one rule that has AH, that's cosine. So the cosine is, now we put in our degrees here. Cosine 24 is equal to x over 19. That's what everything filled in. All that filled in there, perfectly filled in. So how do we finish it? We bring our 19 over from dividing on this side to over on this side, and becomes a multiplying 19 by cosine 24 is equal to x, and that's how we end up with 17.35. That's how you do those questions. I've given you 3 questions to do down here, so I want you to take question number 1. Sorry, that shouldn't have happened like that, so just take that out there. I want you to take question number 1, question number 2, which is here. There they are there. And question number 3. Name the sides. Right, there's the right angles. There's the right angle there. There's your right angle there. There's your right angle here. Okay? Write the rules each time. Have what you want. Set up your equation. Remember, your equation has 3 boxes every time. On top and at the bottom. Okay? Proper box every time. And you'll be writing sine or cosine here, or tan here. And your value here, your value here, and your value on the bottom. Okay, let's get them done properly for tomorrow. Have a good day, everyone. See you tomorrow. Thank you.